today's lesson, I want to go over two rhythms that have the same accent, but they're two different types of beats. One's a funk rhythm, and then I go into a samba groove that's got the same accents on the snare. And I like to teach this to my students because of the challenging samba bass pattern. It teaches independence between hands and feet. Okay, I'm going to start off and I'm going to show you the basic accent groove that I use on this. 16th notes, real slow. 1, and faster. Okay, so what I did first was I came up with a funk type groove, and I'm using the accents on the snare, and that would sound like this. I'll go real slow. 1 and faster. Then I take it into a samba type groove. It's a real challenging pattern to get with the feet and the hands. So the samba bass pattern, just the feet. 1, so what I like to do first with my students is to establish the feet with the hands, and I'll put all the hands on the snare as far as the accents. If that's getting you really frustrated, then what I would do first is I would do eighth notes on the feet with the hands. But when you're finally going to get this is when you just forget about the feet and focus just on the hands are doing. Okay, so when we take that into the actual samba groove, the right hand is going to be on the cymbal. Right hand's not going to change. And I put those accents on my left hand. Get that worked up. Okay, so when you try to put the feet in that, you might want to first do the straight eighth notes. Okay, and then you samba. You know, and once that gets real comfortable, you can start putting some toms in instead of doing the snare. Okay, and finally, what I like to do is go from the funk rhythm into the samba groove.